Manchester United 1, Brighton 3. Problems on and off the field. Hey, Bumbo Clatter, go on, dog. Let's go. Um. What the fuck did we just see? Scott McTominay, you're supposed to be a box-to-box midfielder. You are supposed to be a box-to-box midfielder. I mean, from one box to the next. In defensive third, you're supposed to be running back to help defense. At least give the man some difficulty. You just drag back in at the center of defense. Lindelof try to get the ball and miss it, comes straight to Welbeck Parry. No hesitation, boom, him score. What the fuck were you doing, fam? You're talking about how he's playing for Scotland. He's playing well. He scored a lot of goals. What the fuck was he doing? He's supposed to be a box-to-box midfielder. You talk about how him today with him play up front. What the fuck was he doing in that game? What? What the fuck did we just see? Onana, what? You look great playing for the Lions. What the fuck was that? You're supposed to be a great pass off the ball. Take pressure off the defense. Yeah, we like that. But what about your shot stopping? That third goal, that enough score. I slip past your fingers, butterfinger style. What the fuck was that, fam? What was that? What the fuck did we just see? Lindelof, Martinez, second goal. What the fuck was that, fam? First, Lindelof saying he stroll past him in the top of the box. And Martinez just make, oh my God, you guys, sickening. Absolutely shitting. Yo, a good thing me no bet money upon them put me in a party. Guys, me bet money upon Manchester United and lose me like kill somebody, you know. I say God almighty choke me like party. What the fuck was that, fam? What the actual fuck was that, bro? What? Please tell me, what the fuck was that, fam? Eric Ten Hag. What the fuck did we just see? Why is Wan-Bissaka not starting this game? Why is Wan-Bissaka not starting the game? Why are you playing Diego Dalot in Mitoma? Granted, Diego Dalot played well, okay, but why the fuck is Mitoma? Why you have Wan-Bissaka and you know Wan-Bissaka is a brilliant defender? I couldn't tell you. And lastly, what the fuck did we just see? Hannibal Mejbri. What a goal. You're the only hype spark in that game today. Hannibal Mejbri. What a fucking goal that was, fam. What a damn goal. Big up yourself. Big up your blood clot self. Brighton, good win. Aside from that, fuck them all, fam. Saints game. People, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there, say for brand new. Big up yourself.